one strawberry sneaky stardust, my favorite, and a pink neon stress ball. Let's package it up. What's next? Guys, look at these new dimple calculators that we just got. They are so cool. We even have them on blue. Shop the link in our bio now. And we also got like way more stuff, guys.
We have a new awesome fidget! Cheeseburger Poppy Balls. They are literally so cute and we have so many. Make sure to shop now at furandmouseshop.com or click the link in the bio. Pack an order with me for Jessica. She ordered this snail dimple, a turtle stress ball, a tie-dye fidget spinner, a peach stress ball, literally so cute, a star dimple, literally my favorite, and a bracelet. This is everything she got. Should we pack more orders? We now have candy in our shop. Literally so much candy. We have cachetadas, jelly fruits. Oh my god, these are so good. My favorite, we have jelly straws. Honestly, best candy in the world. Don't forget to shop now, link in bio. We now have bracelets in our shop. They're literally the cutest bracelets ever. And we have butterfly bracelets. Make sure to shop now, link in bio.
We just got jelly straws in our shop. These are literally so good.
We have so many.
And we also have jelly fruits. Jelly fruits are now back in stock in our shop.
We literally have so many.
Shop the link in our bio, guys. These are now available. Let's pack another fidget order. They are getting a blue calculator dimple, one DIY fidget spinner, one peach stress ball, one uni stress ball, one teddy bear DNA stress ball, one lizard stress ball, one of these super cool keychains, one Among Us slow rising squishy, one marble bash and one dimple, one butterfly bracelet, and of course we can't forget a free gift. Now let's add some confetti. Close. And it's ready. Let's pack an order for Preppy Fidgets. They are getting this 3D bear poppy purse, as well as some slaps, some magnetic rings, a little butt keychain, a uni stress ball, a peach stress ball, a teddy bear DNA ball, a lizard stress ball, a dimple and a marble mash, and one Among Us slow rising squishy. This box is packed. We can't forget a free gift, some confetti, and we close. And it's ready. Let's pack an order for La Floca and Mimi. They're getting one pink calculator dimple, one white snail dimple, one pastel color stress ball, one banana scented stress ball, one hot dog stress ball, one glitter bear stress ball, one lizard stress ball, one star sparkle stress ball, one peach stress ball, one teddy bear DNA stress ball, one uni stress ball, one angry cat stress ball, one relaxing liquor stress ball, one clear mesh stress ball, one of these unicorn butts, one teddy bear poppet, one Among Us slow rising squishy, one poppet pen, one tie-dye fidget spinner, one simple dimple, one marble mesh, one butterfly bracelet, one DIY fidget spinner, and one shooting star dimple. Now we add some confetti, and we're adding a free gift. Now let's close it.
New stress baller. Our new mesh stress balls. Oh my god, it literally has the cutest charms inside. And it lights up. Literally the most satisfying stress ball ever. I love this stress ball. It has smiley faces, fruit charms. So cute. Oh my god! Look at the smiley face. OMG. This is so satisfying! If you want to get a mesh stress ball, all you have to do is go shop at thefurmouseshop.com or don't forget to click the link in the bio. Literally one of my favorite stress balls ever. New stress baller. Our teddy bear stress ball. This super cute teddy bear stress ball. And it even lights up. Oh my god. This is the most adorable stress ball I've ever seen. And we have it in so many cute colors. They are all so adorable. I can't even pick the cutest color. If you want to get this stress ball, all you have to do is go shop at thefurmouseshop.com or click the link in the bio. So cute. Comment down below your favorite color.
Let's restock some candy for our store. All done.
New stress ball alert! Our new sparkle stress ball. Literally look how cute. There's so many stars and look how satisfying. Oh my god. Look at the stars. Oh my god. We have it in so many colors. If you want to buy a sparkle stress ball, just shop at Furmouse Shop or click the link in the bio. They're literally so cute. You cannot miss out. Pack an order with me for David. He ordered one hot dog stress ball, a pack of monkey noodles, a cute keychain. So cute. Glitter teddy bear stress ball, Stardust gunpowder, unicorn stress ball, reversible octopus, and a squeezy pop. Should we package more orders? We have Angry Cat stress balls. These stress balls are so cute. They're super big and satisfying. I've never seen a stress ball like this. Kinda looks realistic. They are literally so many different cats. And they're all so cute. Oh my god. This one looks like my cat Milo. They are literally like no other. Shop now at furmouseshop.com or click the link in the bio. Which one is your favorite angry cat? I think I like all of them. Ah! We have so many fidgets in our store. Like, oh my god. And now we have powder gum. Like, it's so good. We have 3 flavors. Strawberry, green apple, and blue raspberry. By the way, these are sour, but they're so good. You guys won't believe what we have in our shop. Realistic bananas! Oh my god! They are literally the coolest fidget ever. And they look so real. They're so stretchy. It's kind of trippy how real they look. But if you guys want a realistic banana, make sure to go to theFurmouseshop.com or click the link in the bio. You cannot tell me this doesn't look real. We have so so many new things in our fidget shop, but guess what? We have puppet pins. We have a unicorn puppet pin. Oh my god, they're so cute. We also have a dinosaur puppet pin. And look, this one's so cute. I love them all. Oh my god, so cute. I love them. New stress ball alerts! We got hot dog stress balls! Literally, they look so realistic. I can't even tell. But look how satisfying they are. I love this stress ball. If you want to get one, shop at fernmouseshop.com or click the link in our bio. They are literally so realistic.
Let's back in order for Brian. 1 turtle DNA stress ball.
1 monkey noodle pack.
1 yellow stress ball. 1 unicorn keychain dimple.
1 mini keychain poppet.
1 infinity cube. 1 banana stress ball. These are scented. They are my favorite.
And 1 clear mesh stress ball.
Let's package it.
The most satisfying stress ball in the world. Let's cut open a corn and mango stress ball.
Make sure to go subscribe to the Fern Mouse Short YouTube account. Link in the description.
Check out our shop, fernmouseshop.com. Link in the description. Love you. Bye.